In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Figma design into React code using a fantastic tool called CodeT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. We'll be working with a product page design that you can easily find in Figma assets, and I'll walk you through each step of converting that design into functional React code. First things first, let's get started. Step 1 is to add a product page design. So, go ahead and open up Figma. Once you're in, look for the Assets panel on the left side of the interface. In the search bar, type Product Page UI or any design that you're interested in. You'll see a variety of options pop up. Simply drag the design that you like onto your canvas. Moving on to Step 2, we need to select the design frame. Click on the full product page frame to make sure you've selected the entire screen properly. This is crucial, as we need the whole design in one frame for the next steps. Now Step 3 brings us to opening plugins. With your design frame still selected, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu. From there, hover over the option that says Plugins. You can then search for CodeT in the plugin search bar. Once you find it, click to open the plugin. In Step 4, inside the CodeT plugin, you'll need to select the Output option. Look for where it says React and click on it to select this as your output format. If you have different needs, you can also choose options like Next.js, Tailwind CSS, or even React Native, depending on what your project requires. Now we're on to Step 5, where we generate the code. You're on the home stretch. Just click the Generate Code button in the plugin. Hold tight for a few seconds while CodeT does its magic and converts your Figma design into React code. Once that's done, we arrive at Step 6, copying the React code. You should see an option to copy code. Go ahead and click that. You can paste this code into any React project you're working on. You might want to use platforms like VS Code, Cursor AI, or Replit, whatever your preference is. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly convert a Figma product page into React code for free using CodeT. It's really that straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!